Sun is shining bright and it's a great day to be alive. मैं सोच रहा था अभी कि ऐसा पहले मैं सोचता था, मैं अभी ये सोच रहा था कि ऐसा पहले मैं सोचता था कि aloneness और loneliness are quite similar and we can use these words simultaneously back to back because there's no difference between them. I realize there is a substantial amount of difference between these two words. Firstly, the methods of indivisibility and separation divides these two attributes into very different feelings. अगर मैं alone हूँ, that means I am content with myself और मैं अकेला हूँ इस दुनिया में. But if I am content अंदर से, I won't be lonely. लेकिन अगर मैं lonely हूँ और I have a bunch of people who I love and they love me back, मैं तब भी खुश नहीं रहूँगा because I am lonely. Something doesn't add up. Loneliness is a realization and loneliness is a feeling. The difference between realization is feeling is the difference between judgment and procedure. Realization हमारा judgment है, which is subjective, and feeling हमारा process of making that judgment है, which is also subjective. I used to think I'm not alone, that's why I was lonely, but I think to be alone is not to be lonely, and to be lonely is not vouching to be alone. Happiness is a skill, and I read this quote by Naval. Happiness is just an inner realization that nothing is missing in this moment. And I used to think something is missing. I don't know why the fuck I used to think that something was missing. Everything is for our best interest और सब कुछ वैसा ही है जैसा होना चाहिए था. हमारे भी कर्मास हैं and universe is a catalyst. Reality is neutral. When you think you deserve something, तो हमको लगता है कि something is missing. But deserve is a construct. It is not real, it is a judgment. It is a judgment that we give to our reality, that we deserve something. It comes out of entitlement. Nothing is missing, and it's great to be alone. I am alone and I am happy. And if someone is watching this who is feeling lonely, be alone, not be lonely. It's a great day to be alone. Be happy. And happiness is a skill you must learn.